Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. In a club of 52 executives, 28 prefer to order at Jollibee and 32 prefer to order at McDonald's. How many prefer both? Now, in order to solve this question, let's try to put this given information in a Venn diagram. Let this be representation of 28 executives who prefer to order at Jollibee. So this entire circle is representing 28 people who prefer to order at Jollibee. So 28 Jollibee. And let this be representation of 32 people who prefer to order at McDonald's. Again, this entire circle is representing number of people, that is 32, who prefer to order at McDonald's. 32 McDonald's. Now if you must have observed carefully this particular overlap part, it has been considered in 28 as well and 32 as well. So this particular part, which is representing number of people who prefer both restaurants, not just one but both restaurants, this overlap part has been considered in 28 as well and 32 as well. Okay, now it is given that total number of executives is equal to 52. Now if we consider this overlap part, that is number of people who prefer to order at both, as x, we can try to form an equation to solve this. So let number of people who prefer to order at both restaurants be equal to x. Now if we add 28 and 32, 28 plus 32, in this addition, if I want this addition to be equal to 52, I need to observe carefully that in this addition I have already added x 2 times, because this overlap part has been considered twice, once in 28 and once in 32. So in order to cancel out the extra x, I will have to subtract 1x from here. Now plus x minus x have cancelled out, and this x has been considered only once, which is required. So we can say that this equation now is final equation. So we can remove this part. Now this is our final equation. Now if we solve this equation, we'll get number of people who prefer both restaurants. 28 plus 32 is 60. 60 minus x equal to 52. Thus x equal to 60 minus 52. Thus we get x equal to 8. Therefore, number of people who prefer both restaurants is equal to 8. So let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option C.